Question number one. Which of the following factors does the microenvironment not include? Option A, political and regulatory factors. Option B, customer needs in a given market. Option C, social and demographic factors. Option D, technological changes. Correct option is B, customer needs in a given market. Question number 2. Which of the following statements is false? Electronic commerce. Option A. Can allow new ventures to compete on more or less equal terms with large firms. Option B. Can lead to small businesses having reduced contact with its customers. Option C. Is rarely used in small businesses. Option D. Is used in many different industries and markets. Correct option is C. Is rarely used in small businesses. Question number 3. Strategic entrepreneurial marketing has been summarized at the 4S identification of target markets, interactive marketing methods, informal intelligence gathering, and what is the fourth? Option A, innovation. Option B, effectiveness. Option C, independence. Option D, internet. Correct option is A, innovation. Question number 4. An entrepreneur who owns more than one business at a time is called. एक उद्यमी जो एक समय में एक से अधिक व्यवसायों का स्वामी होता है वो कहलाता है. ऑप्शन ए, एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. ऑप्शन बी, ए कारपोरेट एंटरप्रेन्योर. ऑप्शन सी, ए पोर्टफोलियो एंटरप्रेन्योर. ऑप्शन डी, नन ऑफ द अबव. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, ए पोर्टफोलियो एंटरप्रेन्योर. An entrepreneur who owns more than one business at a time is called a portfolio entrepreneur. Question number 5. Industries producing complete articles for direct consumption and also processing industries is called as. Option A, manufacturing industries. Option B, feeder industries. Option C, service industries. Option D, mining or quarrying. Correct option is A, manufacturing industries. Question number 6. Dash dash is primarily concerned with the identification, qualification and evaluation of the project resources. Option A, techno-economic analysis. Option B, feasibility analysis. Option C, input analysis. Option D, financial analysis. Correct option is B, feasibility analysis. Question number 7. LOB stands for. LOB का मतलब क्या है? Option A, line of business. Option B, line of balance. Option C, loss of business. Option D, loss of balance. Correct option is B, line of balance. LOB stands for line of balance. Question number 8. Underestimation of project cost leads to. परियोजना लागत का कम आकलन की ओर जाता है. ऑप्शन ए, टाइम अंडर रन. ऑप्शन बी, कॉस्ट अंडर रन. ऑप्शन सी, टाइम ओवर रन. ऑप्शन डी, कॉस्ट ओवर रन. Correct option is the cost overrun. Underestimation of project cost leads to cost overrun. Question number 9. New entrepreneurs entering the field of medium industry for the first time can have market studies with the subsidiary of. Option A, 75% of the cost of ₹15,000 which were less. Option B 75% of the cost are ₹15,000 whichever is high. Option C 50% of the cost are ₹15,000 whichever is less. Option D 50% of the cost are ₹15,000 whichever is high. Correct option is A 75% of the cost are ₹15,000 whichever is less. Question number 10. Decisions which are concerned with policy matters and exercise fundamental influence on the objectives of the organization are called as ऐसे निर्णय जो नीतिगत मामलों से संबंधित होते हैं और संगठन के उद्देश्यों पर मौलिक प्रभाव डालते हैं कहलाते हैं। ऑप्शन ए ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल डिसीजन, ऑप्शन बी पर्सनल डिसीजन, ऑप्शन सी रूटीन डिसीजन, ऑप्शन डी स्ट्रेटेजिक डिसीजन। Correct option is D, strategic decisions. Thanks for watching video and subscribe my channel. Please like this video and share this video with friends. Press the bell icon for latest update.